Hey everyone! So I've been getting tons of questions about what I do as a data analyst. And my A Day in a Life as a Data Analyst videos have been getting so many views, so I thought it's time for a more technical deep dive. In this video, I'll walk you through my process at a high level so it's easy to understand even if you're not in the field. I've already made a video about my process, so feel free to check that out for more details. So once I get all the details from my client, I start by gathering data from various sources, be it offline files or databases. I use Python, my go-to scripting language because it can handle almost any data format and has tons of useful libraries. I typically work on Google Colab or Visual Studio Code depending on what the company prefers. For querying databases, I use both SQL and Python. Once I have the data, I merge it all together in an ETL, that's extract, transform, load process, which outputs a CSV file. This step takes time as I validate the output to ensure the process is sustainable. After that, I connect the output to a data visualization tool like Looker Studio or Tableau, again, depending on the company's preference. Designing a dashboard from scratch takes a bit time, but once the client approves the design, I just update the backend data regularly, whether monthly, weekly, or as needed. If the data is clean and stored in a database, the process is much shorter. I just need to query it with SQL or SQL and connect it to a visualization tool, again, whether Looker Studio or Tableau. The dashboard updates automatically. This is the usual flow, but there are times when I handle ad hoc requests or work on automation processes that aren't directly related to data analysis. Sometimes, because I have access to the data, people ask me to retrieve or format it in a specific way for their reports. Also, I attend meetings and take the opportunity to upskill during my spare time because it's always beneficial. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions about the life of a data analyst, drop them in the comments below. Thank you and please subscribe.